answer. You're not allowing me to answer.
Make your baby father seem son.
You're not allowing me to answer.
Make your baby father seem son.
Nobody stopped him.
You've been an advocate seem son. I know him don't violent. Imagine if I did dummy I try to seem son.
I mean,
and I
girl,
said, go jail 3 times.
my baby daddy.
3 times dummy
No,
go
make me
jail.
talk.
Your baby father and I go jail none.
You can't diss ice. You can't diss my son. My son well taken care of. You see that right there, so? It's a king size bed for my son. Something where you not have. You see that? King size bed for my blood clot son. So good girl. Something where you not have. My son never born a Jamaican never come a foreign. My son is a born American citizen. The United States of America. My son born in Atlanta. When you do anything and what you do, Trump can send you back. You could have green card look more. You could have citizenship look more. You never born ya. Alright, at Jamaica you can go back. My son can only go in a jail and come back out and in America same way. Cause yeah, born. Them can dip him. So now come back me and my one little son him. Alright. I will see him father. When him father ready, to go co-parent. Or when him father start pay child support. Or when if he get big and
Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete. If minute upon the beat, and as you can see, upon the screen, Tropical Barb's Ivany got into it last night. You see, I say, as you know, dummy ex-wife Tropical B has been, you know, making her rounds around social media, talking about her experience with the famous Jamaican TikToker. You see, I say, who is possibly facing deportation. You know what I mean? Put in the comment section what you think about that, because boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, them try out Ivany, you know. This is my say, and the girl asked Ivany why she not let you know who see his son. This is my say, and it is brought to our knowledge. Howy, wow, it's been 1 year you haven't fed your son. You see my say, meaning child support and them thing there, but Ivany is willing and waiting for you to be a dad. You see my say, before you watch this video with Tropical Barbs and Ivany, just know throughout the thing, Ivany was muted at some point. As you can see, she responded by my IG page because she never know what the girl has seen. And them thing they don't want her answer. Bag of things, right? So let's like and share the video from now and let's get into it.
She again? You again?
My girl, alright, listen, no argument, no.
Oh, calm down, let's figure this out.
Ivany, let me tell you why I have an issue with
Let's
you.
be real. Alright, I'm gonna start.
Let me tell you why I have
No,
an issue
wait.
with you.
You see, I can't take this now because I need to add them in or something. No, baby girl, you're gonna misunderstand. You wasn't listening.
You can't listen as well.
No, you
can't listen, but me supposed
when
to
me I go
listen.
mute you, me do cause me no get over blood clot me. Can a boy never fuck me and left me and if I can't go court and me not fight for deport a boy with Trump now on deport. My girl, tread lightly. Listen now. My girl, whether you want to listen or not. You know Miss Fabulous. Fallon. Baby girl, what me have for your hours at this me? I've never seen you disrespect you yet. Never pass my place with you. Me never disrespect you. Me never trouble you. Me see up on my For You page, yes, with you and cheese. Ride or die. Me never insert myself in a no screen record or drop no comment. Why always at this me do? I me never yet this you do.
What yes me this you say? What me ever this you say? All the time when me dey on the screen with my friend them and them I say I never said nothing bad boy yet. One time me and Ziggy you and
I want this a dirty blood clot girl will look like the blood clot character from Happy Feet. So good girl, see ya bitch.
Zuma.
You come on blood clot for your so good girl.
Zuma, I cost. You start cost me a minute here now. Me say that this a mad blood clot girl yeah.
Well, the people them tell me say you always a cuss me and like me.
Jesus Christ, me dear.
So that's why me tell Buck to her. Other about me ask her why she know them. Because really and true, me never yet see her and trouble her. Alright, me never. Alright, me and her thing squash now. Me go to Tropical, we get this twisted.
Hey everybody.
Hey. Hello.
Guys, you need to talk to some calling.
Tropical.
Buck to her, tell her.
You mute her.
Tropical, you mute her?
But she want
No, she want to talk to you. She want to talk to you.
No, I'm talk to you.
No, she and Falcon turn friend now. She want to turn friend with her.
Hello.
Just unmute her now, Yosha.
Unmute her, mad girl.
Yeah, man.
Ivany, what do you want?
Listen, may I show you where you go wrong, baby girl. All
No,
right,
you
come
don't
on
have
the
to show me
screen.
where you go wrong.
No, not me go wrong, baby.
You don't have to show me where
I
I
never
go
go wrong,
wrong.
Nontal.
It's a fact
You
that
see
back
me
in
come on the
2024,
screen.
you
hear me
bitch
talking.
to me and you slung
never
and you
call
chat
your
how much
name.
things they didn't even know me. You slung and you call my name. Long
Let's bust
time
you a
before
bust.
your dummy fall out. I'm gonna sing over this and play a hypocrite with you. I'm gonna jump on that with you. I don't know you from nowhere. I'm not sitting here trying to be a friend, but I'm
Baby
going based
girl.
off of what you said in the past. Okay, that's it. Man,
Okay, I give you time to talk. Can I talk now?
go off.
All right, so first thing first, I come on the screen. I wasn't talking about you. Number one, I wasn't disrespecting you. I was talking to Fallon. Fallon, wrong all right. Now you me come at attack as me come on the screen.
That's true.
So when me attack she, after me finish attack she, I turned to you and I said, oh God, man, give dummy one chance. Them want deport dummy. You didn't give me a time for talk. Only thing you depend and me attack. Me hear you know, but me ignore it because me know me not talk to you. Me I talk to she. So in my head, me I say, why you take up this for your head and me not talk to you? You keep on you go. But that doesn't mean that me not go beg friend for you because me did tell them saying for beat out your blood clot because you deserve it. But you never give me a chance to express my feelings after because I was going to get there. Me just need to ask you first. I just needed to ask you first if you was going to save dummy or not. Because me want to hear your answer because if you said no, me I go dip up under your dirty blood clot.
No,
Why you want to
you-
put the
no,
man?
you-
The man don't want you.
What are you
The man don't want-
talking? What are you
Fuck
talking
you.
about?
This
The
went
man
left
don't
quick.
want-
Girl.
The
The
man
man
still
don't
want-
want you. I fuck feelings you carry. The boy up on TikTok and the boy a travel. That's it, young girl and use love money on mine, man. The boy there Jamaica good. You come park up car and hotel and thing and I tell him boy you live the fancy life. I thought for rich dummy time love money to the boy come up for no fancy life. What the
Yeah,
care with
my
the bling?
man, when you are my
Where is the
king,
thing them
and
where
you
you
are
use
my
and catch the man
fucking
so
line
good,
back,
girl?
like this, yeah.
What the things them there where you use for catch dummy? You use bling and ding for catch dummy and make dummy left from Jamaica come abroad. When dummy left Jamaica come abroad, there is nothing like what you see I did Africa dummy. I am dummy till dummy have to lick out your blood clot, right? Your front go file police report. Dummy move out. The man has strive on TikTok. Something where you never know the man would do. You never know so the man would have strive. You never know so dummy would have him team. You never know so him would have come on TikTok and have him back like that when you put him out of the blood clot house. Dirty girl. When you call police for the boy and make the boy. You can't believe.
Hello?
One story, big two
911.
story. Sometimes woman do things forget on the man's skin. I don't feel like dummy just get up and beat you. You have to do something for your boy beat you. It takes two to make an argument. It takes two to make a fight. Dummy not in him right mind for just get up and blood clot like you. The boy say you flip. I'm a believe because some is a female and a some is stay too. When a boy talk too hard, me lick down in blood clot. And then when him lick me down, me squirt like a dog. And that you do, you flip up and lick your boy. And the boy have to lick down your blood clot, turn you in a penguin, one of the character from Happy Feet. Look at you now. Come up, boy. Like you're hype. You're gonna see, bitch. God, I gonna work it out in a dummy favor. And dummy, I gonna get him papers. No deportation in the blood of Jesus name, pan dummy. Dummy a good youth. And the whole I will love him pan TikTok. So no matter how you come out you want bully the youth, you see youth upon his feet. Oh God, man, you're a woman. You're a woman. Yes. He wrong for certain things. Yes. Let me restart because I don't care about your views. I have to make my rent money in a book to add me back. Hold on. Girl. Why you want the man get deported for? You do the man wrong and the man do you wrong. Why you want the man get deported? Who not for laugh of a people downfall, bro?
Why you don't want your baby Palestine son?
You want
Make your
know
baby
why?
Palestine son. Make your baby Palestine son. All
I
of you know
didn't
say
stop
about
him.
come to you one
Alright,
time you
make
did
shit talk.
that
Make shit talk.
delivery. You did the hospital and deliver. You did go through how much months of my pregnancy, how much months of my daycare and after birth and all in something there. Why don't want your son see your father? Why you don't want that?
Can I answer you now?
Yeah, what about blood clot? Me and fucking man were me not there with from
Can
2024.
I answer you? Me can't.
now.
Yes, me can't talk.
Me not there with that man from 2024 and 2026 now. Why you worried about me and man
If I
what they
can't
can make
answer it.
sense?
Why ask a question if I can't answer
Why
it?
you don't want your baby father seem
But you're
son?
not
Make your
allowing me
baby
to
father
answer.
seem
You're not allowing me
son.
to answer.
Make your baby father seem son.
You're not allowing me to answer.
Make your baby father seem son.
Nobody
A long
stopped
time
him.
you've been an advocate for seem son. Me know him do violence. Imagine if I did dummy I try to seem son.
I
Then
mean,
I said
girl,
dummy go jail 3 times.
my baby daddy.
3 times dummy
Nah,
go
make me
jail.
talk.
Your baby father not go jail none
Like you
time.
never
Make
lick
your
in
baby
your
father
blood
seem
clot
son.
good, cause don't mean nothing.
Make your baby father seem blood clot son.
Bumbo clot.
Okay, let me talk now. First of
Make
all,
your baby
baby,
father seem
let
blood
me mute
clot
you, cause you're
son.
slow. First
I don't like say your baby father that beat you. Make your baby father seem son. He want the right by him son.
you can't diss ice. You can't diss my son. My son well taken care of. You see that right there, so? Is a king size bed for my son. Something where you not have. You see that? King size bed for my blood clot son. So good girl. Something where you not have. My son never born a Jamaican if I come a foreign. My son is a born American citizen. The United States of America. My son born in Atlanta. Northside Hospital in Barnia. He never have to go through paperwork like you. You can't size up. When you do anything and what you do, Trump can send you back. You could have green card look more. You could have citizenship look more. You never born ya. Alright, at Jamaica, you can go back. My son can only go in a jail and come back out and in America same way. Because yeah, born. Them can't dip him. So now come back me and my one little son him. Alright. I see him father. When him father ready to go co-parent. Or when him father start pay child support. Or when if he get big and he ready for see daddy at Atlanta, the whole we live. Go and go see him. Done with you. Load the boy. Truth or dare no. Come on. Yeah.
One they can't say my ring light, my friend. Cause the ring light coming in the shots.
Same way I sell my that thing, you can go sell for your cock and
You know say it's small, so I can't sell it.
I sell you one car. Why? But you want real G, you know? But the people them say, oh God, chat. You know, so when me there in a detention and everybody turn them back on me, I buck to appear for me lawyer visit. I buck to real. Me can't this yet no time in our life, honestly. When everybody turn them back on me in a detention and my sister and take off her name for be my sponsor. I couldn't get no lawyer, bro. I be a free lawyer, them nah do nothing. I buck to send him thousands of money and get one lawyer for me and make me come out. And when me do come out of foreign and the iPhone 16 Pro Max come out, and me look on Buck to and show me film phone and say, he just get the 16. And I say, oh God, Buck to you can't buy me one 16. And Buck to send me how much? $1,600? $1,600 US. Me don't know how much Jamaican. It's 200K Jamaican, 250K or so. And Buck to send me the money, not even half fight, but the entire money. And I go down up the place the next day, because the place dealer can go buy my iPhone 16 Pro Max. I even the life pan now. Buck to a real youth for true chat.
Yeah, I'm a G, man. I'm a G.
People like them, yeah, you can't diss them. You have to remember the good when they do for you when you're in need of something and they help you on spot and they not diss you. You can't diss them. Trouble dummy. So you know what she do? She had her dirty stinking friend them. And when she have her friend them come call up dummy name first. And when the friend them call up dummy name first, she start to talk back and have her friend them a question her. And then she a talk back. So when time she do that now, it all look like say I never really she bring up dummy name, it's the friend bring up dummy name. But I and the friend don't plan for come live and do another so good girl. Lord the blood clot co-worker them. Jamaica nasty dummy face unless I visit him. I don't wish deportation pan nobody. Not even my blood clot worst enemy them. Cheese, you one of them. I don't wish deportation pan nobody. Never in my life me say God more the person I get deported. Never. So good girl. Lord the boy alone. You're too terrible now, man. Oh God. What do you mean I pass on screen record? I see somebody caption it say, Dummy I try get things for money. And when me see his screen record, me laughing because me I say, what make Dummy I wet up himself so? And then when me actually watch it to the end, oh God, the boy call the people them for fix the fridge. And the whole boy place flood out. Dummy not doing anything for money. So I want to stop it too. Want to stop it too. Oh no, Dummy, no, Dummy. Dummy is a clean boy. Talk truth. Dummy is a clean.
That's the top of the screen.
If I want thing, me know say Dummy clean. Dummy clean so till it all. Dummy clean so till, bro. Man kitchen ever clean. Man bed ever spread. In place always clean. And he always in a kitchen a cook. Why Dummy would have come out of mine now if he go soak out the whole house to prove something to the internet? Me never see Dummy as a person if he do nothing for the internet. Me just always say Dummy is a follower towards him friend them. If Dummy feel like somebody at this him friend, him or this you too. I just suffer him loyalty stay. And Jamaica na go have that as run backer. If somebody this Donia, him or this them can consider Donia as him friend. We are Jamaica no consider that as being loyal. We consider that as run backer man. Yeah, run backer man. Me never said that the boy then in place dirty until blood clot immigration got put ankle money upon him foot. A boy house flood out. You know it feel in America, wall your place flood out. You done in your stress already. Figure your yard, your woman give you a problem. And now you figure a court girl, you know what you do. You know say if you not show up it worse upon you, you not show up none time. You know what you do. The boy have a blood clot stress. And you come here so every day I click your live. I click your live like you look company. I want thing about TikTok, girl. I'm going to tell you about TikTok. As much as I say the rankers them and the viewers them talk bad boy with them love we here, we can tell you that. As much as I say the screen record out there with we, you see same out them in a comment section at this way, I see them out them if we bring it down for we. No play with we. We make a gift as them can happy. When them go up on them workplace, I do them blood clot, nurse job, who are clean shit, who are be security guard for hours. I feel we live them sit down and watch and get a little laugh now and then. Sometimes them all text me and say, go live now, me bored, me there work or me there home. And we make some of the viewers them living now, because some of them in some bad days and we make them laugh. Don't come feel like you want to come over here, come size up and feel like you can't get no crowd. So come bring down no ranker. Because suck your mama alone, the boy alone, drunk. Lord, the boy alone, man. The boy depend him worse now. Him depend him worse now. Can see say dummy stress. You can see. Leave the boy alone. Make the boy prosper. You know, all the wicked, so you want the boy go back to Jamaica. If you do what you say Jamaica run cold. I'll do me come like a weak jelly back. I lick woman and I lick them to make them can't talk. So lick out our blood clot teeth. Them show don't have no our tongue with a light. Because we don't have no teeth in your mouth to talk list tongue. The thing not come straight. Lick out her teeth them. When she go in a court, judge can't understand her. Because I wish Jamaica you come from. Your next blood clot one too. Make a girl them You go like you know Jamaica. You lick a girl like you're a Yankee. Lick a girl like a real stallion. Like you name some blood clot ground food at Jamaica. Oh. I done off a shino because I not lose my page for you. Girl, leave them alone. Leave a blood clot man alone. Oh. You're too outside. You should have catch me when I roll up that spliff here. I'm skin up my body will give her and show her what she look like. You should have come here one time I did done build my spliff. But that skin up my body will show you. You see the reflection through it. You hear?
Yeah, there was a whole lot going on last night. Now, if you want to listen to the deportation side of things with Dummy and his ex-wife, let's take a quick listen, don't you?
Because... let me tell you something. The message them up on the phone here. I call on my phone. I call on my phone. Me not answer, me not pick up.
When?
Last night or night before? No,
what?
Night before.
You lie.
Night before.
Oh.
Night before.
And I say what?
Supposed to come live last night. I thought about say if I'm going to help him, yes or no. I said, oh, no look sorry.
Oh, I see a post the brain status with you.
No look. You know, life XYZ, me I go try rough time, blah blah blah. Me ask you for help or me ask you for strength, me ask you for this. You're going to help me, yes or no? I said, am I going to help you, yes or no? Wow.
Like a some bad up thing, like, yes or no?
No,
Come on,
after
you're in
all
a
this
situation,
shit,
bro. Take your
like,
time
after
and get out
all
of the
this-
situation. Let go of your ego, bro. Your ego is
After
your
all of
downfall,
this
bro.
shit,
Your
yo.
ego is your downfall. You have the audacity to come
Wait,
here,
wait,
come
wait,
out.
mega
Yeah, help me, yes
answer
or no? Come on, brother, say it, man.
Mega answer him. I actually tell him, say, you know what? Come to the town hall tomorrow.
Yes.
Him no care, him no business, him no response.
So what
obviously,
go on
him
at
no
town
care.
hall? What go on at town hall?
Make the people them decide for him. I talk about so know the difference between internet and reality. Yes, I do. Yes, I do know the difference between internet and reality. And when time I talk about reality, you only dog them want come near me up or near me down or whatever. Because they not being near them depend. So alright, make your people them come help you. Make them come this side. Make them come tell me why me for help you since them know you so much.
So when you go at town hall now, what about to talk to you and you decide if you want
I
to
come
help
live. The fuck?
Eh?
Me not come live.
Town hall, me say. No town hall, I say. I never live hall. Where is it?
Saving dummy. The town.
Wow. Wow. There's a lot going on with your favorites. Anyway, people, we're not going along with it no longer, you know, because, you know, at Sunday we have more things for do, like fill with belly and giving you some more business, don't it? So do the right thing and like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified when we drop the latest in the dancehall news, music reviews, and gossips. Bless.